Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C73 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find the system. Then let's tap on language and region and tap on edit. As you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available regions from which we can choose, so simply find your language and tap on this plus icon next to it. Your device will immediately ask you whether you want to change the system language, so just tap on yes, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one languages added here in this list, you can quickly change the default language just by reordering them. So let me choose Spanish, tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Confirm it just by tapping on this first option, and we've got the Spanish set. Tap on it and hold it and drag to the first position. Tap on the first option and we've got English applied. If you want to remove the languages from this list, just tap on edit and tap on this minus icon next to the language which you'd like to remove. Of course, it is not completely removed. It will simply appear in this list at the bottom. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.